Okay, so we just have to compare the powers now. So comparing the powers here, the power of L this side is 1. Then the power of L this side, we have 2 there times x, which will give us what? 2x. Then in this one, we have 1 times y, which will give us what? Y, positive y. The powers for t, so t this side, we have 1. And here we have -1 and x, which is -x. And then we have 2 and y, which is 2y. So here is just the matter of making one the subject of the formula, and you replace it into the other one. That is, we are solving the simultaneous equations. So this is our equation 1. This is our equation 2. So you can either use substitution or elimination. You still get the same answer. So we make the subject of the formula. So this 2x will go there, so that we remain with y is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we replace this y in this expression so that we have 1 is equal to -x plus 2, open brackets, 1 minus 2x. And we simplify this, have 1 is equal to -x, then we have +2, -4x. So -x and -4x will give us -5x. Then these two will cross the equal sign to go that side, meaning we're going to have 1 minus 2. And then this side you remain with -x and -4x, which will give you this side. This side you get -1. This other side.
I'm behind.
Where?
Where y equals 1 minus 2y. I know this is the first one, right?
Yes.
But what about 1 equals -x plus 2? Then why have we put these other things in the brackets? Because I saw this even in the assignment where you did this, and I didn't understand where the concept came from. You can just
Which method
explain
of
again.
simultaneous equations do you know?
Just explain what has happened here.
Yes, because the reason why I've asked this, if you tell me any method, I'll use that method. Substitution method.
Okay, just tell me what method you used here. It's fine. I'll understand. I just want to know how you came about this. Because as I said, I saw it even in the assignment, and I got a bit lost.
So we got the first equation. We made y the subject of the formula. So after getting the first equation, you have to get the next equation, which is the second equation, this one. And then while there is y there, you replace with the value of y there. So I'm going to get, yes, I'm going to get 1 is equal to, then I have -x plus 2, but while there is y there, I'm going to put what? This one here, which is 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. While there is y, I've replaced with the value of y, which is 1 minus 2x. And then here, I'm just going to simplify. So simplifying this, on the left, I have 1. So I have, this is equal to, I have -x there. And then 2 times 1, I'm getting +2. Then 2 times -2x, I'm getting -4x. Then from there, I just have to take this to the other side of the equal sign and then add these two. So I'm going to have 1 minus 2 being equal to -x and -4x. We'll add and to get -5x. So this minus that, I'm getting -1, and this is equal to -5x, meaning the value of x will therefore be equal to 1/5. So after finding x, remember the value of y is found by y is equal to 1 minus 2x. So what is x? I'll just replace 1/5. So I'm going to have y being equal to 1 minus 2, 1 over 5. So my y is equal to 1 minus 2 over 5. And therefore y will be equal to 3 over 5. So these are the two values of x and y. All right, so this is how simple dimension analysis is. You just need to know the units, and the units will help you to derive the formulas and to solve all the other questions that they will ask you to solve. Okay, so tomorrow when we meet to do vectors.
Just a minute. Aren't we supposed to now raise these powers to these x and y's we found? Like we write the formula as in E equals F to the power 1 over 5 and G. Aren't we supposed to conclude like that?
Yeah,
Or
but
we're just finding the value, or we're just finding the
yes,
values of, okay, it's fine.
yes, the question is just
Understood the
asking us to
question.
find the values of x and y.
Okay.
But if it was asking us to find the equation, then we have to replace and find and simplify to make it look like an equation that we are looking for.
Okay. All right.
All right, so tomorrow we're meeting for vectors.
Okay. You communicate the time or what?
I mostly knock off late from church, somewhere around 17.
Mhm.
So from morning to 17. So when I come back around 17, I think just
What about the same time, 19 or 20?